let's tackle some common problems that you are facing when you're getting Civic Type R from Japan. There's two major issues here. First is the FM. It can't go beyond 95 MHz. The second, the built-in navigation. It only comes with the Japanese map. This is the solution. Since the FM can only go up to 95 MHz, the simplest and direct way is connect it Bluetooth. After the Bluetooth connected, go to the apps that you want and choose the favorite station. There's an even better solution, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I'll be using the Android Auto. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto are the same. Just tap over here. What makes it even better is that the Android Auto, it comes with the navigation. Not only you get the FM, you get the navigation too. There are some other apps like Spotify or YouTube Music. The one I'm using now is Waze, which is it completely bypasses the outdated Japanese map system and gives you a real-time navigation using the local map. I personally use Waze for navigation because it's up-to-date, accurate, and it works perfectly either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There you have it. Two easy solutions to make your Civic Type R from Japan more usable. Bluetooth audio for the FM or Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, FM, Spotify, YouTube Music. Most importantly, navigation. How to connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly? You can check my video here. And lastly, if you found this video is useful for you, please give me a like button. Thanks.